This is our Let It Snow for the interchangeable easel. And today in this video, I want to show you the technique we use to get those white speckles on the navy back. You're going to paint everything first, and then you're going to grab a stencil stipple brush. Dip that brush into a little bit of white paint, and then you're going to grab a little cup of water and put a little bit of water on that brush. Once you have done that, take any excess water off of that brush, and then you're going to grab the tip of your finger and flick over that brush. Practice over a plate if you need to, and that is what it will look like. So grab your product, flick over the brush, and you can add as little or as much of the speckles as you want. This is what it will look like as you go through it. Now we're going to get ready to glue this kit together. We like to use Gorilla wood glue, and sometimes the letters are small on these kits through the laser. So we like to put a little bit of wood glue on a plate, and then we use a brush and brush it on so glue doesn't get everywhere. On this kit, we are including the word somewhere else. If you don't want to put that on your kit and you just want it to say let it snow with snowflakes, you can throw those somewhere else words away. Once this is all glued together, put it into your easel and it will be ready to display for the upcoming winter season.